Did you know Alaska's most twisted serial killer turned murder into a hunting game? Robert Hansen looked like any normal bakery owner in Anchorage during the 1970s, but behind his quiet smile hid a monster with a sick fantasy. Hansen would kidnap women from the streets, prostitutes and dancers who wouldn't be missed right away. Then he'd do something truly evil. He'd fly them out to the frozen wilderness in his private plane. Once they landed in the middle of nowhere, he'd strip them naked and give them just one hunting knife. Then he'd tell them to run. Hansen would wait, let them get a head start into the freezing cold. Then he'd hunt them down like wild animals using high-powered rifles. For 12 years, he killed at least 17 women this way. Their bodies were buried in shallow graves across the vast Alaskan wilderness. His sick game finally ended when one woman escaped. Cindy Paulson survived and led police right to his plane. Ballistics tests matched his rifles to the victim's wounds. The hunter had finally been caught.